unfortunately, I'm just here very briefly to greet you all and welcome back our alumni. Unfortunately, I have a day packed full, and tonight I can't be dancing with you. It's going to be fun. Yeah, right. I have to go to an endowed lecture. Anyway, yeah, that's the dean's life, right? So, but anyway, it's this is a time of a lot of celebration at MIT. On the 10th, we turn 150 years old, and there's a massive bash in Boston. 300 musicians on stage. I don't know what they've had. Something truly out of control. And you know, our school is 150 years old too. It started with architecture, of course, that came later, but it's not insignificant. And we are having a big festival on the campus called FAST, Festival of Art, Technology, Science and Technology. And you may have seen some wild things floating around there, artifacts all over the show. And on the 7th of May, this all reaches a crescendo, and we'll be flying about 120-foot high inflatable star out of Killian Court. So the whole of Boston will know that something's afoot, right? And this will be lit up in the night sky. And so in a way, for us to be celebrating one of our stars, in this case a person, in this Festschrift is really terrific. And you know, I think there's enormous affection for Judith, as you can tell already. She has been you've talked about the students, Judith, but your contribution to the faculty itself as a member of a larger community, I do want to say, has been excellent. And there's affection for you all around, honestly. And the fact that 50 students decided to travel from different parts of the world speaks a lot about your stewardship, your impact on their lives, actually, which are long-standing and incredibly important. And so, you know, I think I just want to congratulate you for having the level of stature you have. I didn't realize that you came with him in the same year. He was just a kid. Maybe he still is, I don't know.
He was married to another person.
Well, yeah, right, she's down there. That's right, I know. So we have many stories to tell, and I believe last night was filled with interesting stories, some of which Judith would have preferred were told, I'm sure, and the day has not ended. So by the time you get to the evening with all this singing and dancing and everything, I guess, yes, the genie will be out of the bottle in time. So anyway, I wish you all well, and thank you for coming, and thank you for being here to celebrate somebody we think is very precious, who's been with us for a long time. Very, very nice. Thank you then.
Thank you, Adele.
Okay. Actually, I do have one more thing to say.
Okay.
Excuse me, since he prodded me. You know, we're trying to raise a fellowship in honor of Judith, and for those of you who can actually do it, we'd appreciate it a lot if you would think about being part of this way to honor. Thanks for. Okay. Yes.